Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something that was inside, wait a second, a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. There might be a link down in the description. Use that instead. They want me to tell you people to use that, but it's a bit.ly link, and I don't know. It's like, it helps them track sales and junk. I don't make any money from... They send me boxes. I don't get a dime. But, which really kind of is a bummer. But, whatever. But they want to track things closely for the boxes they send to me, so whatever. This is Myojo ippei-chan Rich and Sweet Thick Yakisoba. I'm kind of questioning that translation. I don't know if that's so great. But, God, it sounds good. Looks like it's got karashi mayo. So, yeah! So, let's get it on. So basically what we do is we take all the sachets out. And we drop the noodle block in the boil. Normally you would do it in this tray. And I'll push it down a little bit. And I'll put that on there, and we've got, what? We've got a 3-minute affair here, don't we? Yeah. 3 minutes. Yeah? Yeah? There's the 3. There it is. It's 3 minutes. So yeah, what's going on? You know, well, if you don't know, I live like 5 miles away, I think. I'm on 68th. I'm right next to Bothell Everett Way. Isn't that about 5 miles from Kirkland, if that? Pretty sure. You shoot down 68th, you go past, what do you call it? Simmons. Keep going, you'll get to, yeah, that might not even be 5 miles. I'm pretty sure I could walk there, no sweat. But that's where the epicenter of the first deaths in the coronavirus deal in the U.S. happened. I believe I heard the mayor of New York say today that there are more people that are down with it in New York than here. So we don't have that title anymore. But yeah, pretty crazy. But yeah, I don't know. It's been handled so horribly that I think we're kind of screwed. I mean, what's Italy doing? They've quarantined everybody in Italy. It's pretty epic. So, and they've got the numbers down in China, but the problem is that the people here wouldn't tolerate that. They'd be like, what do you mean I can't go outside? And people just flip out and all that craziness. So that's why they're not trying that yet. But, you know, people that are used to certain things going on, a certain amount of government doing things in China and other countries that people here would just be like, well, I don't know why I should have to do that. It was like the lady who was stuck on the cruise ship. I totally love to make fun of this lady because it was so just so entitled and stupid. She's like, I've been on the boat for 2 weeks and I've been quarantined, and then they said I was done. I said I was done, then I got off, and then we're in this other place, they're quarantining us for another 2 weeks, and I'm so tired of being quarantined, and blah, blah. I'm like, I'm sure you're tired, but you do realize that the reason you're being quarantined is because we don't want a contagion to spread. I know that really is a bummer deal for you, and it's a bummer deal for everybody who has to be quarantined, but that's just how it is, folks. I don't know. Anyways. But yeah, my kid's still out of school. They're trying to do some kind of thing. I'm really at a loss. They've got software for Android, but it's only for a specific Android device. And then they have, we requested an iPad so we could use that. And then there's, what do you call it? There's this other thing where you're supposed to log in, but there's no freaking way. And first off, it just shows up with a get Adobe Flash. But yeah, to do like some stuff on the computer with them, and it's like the times when they'll be doing that are times when my daughter's awake and times when I'm doing my stuff. I mean, of course I can take time off, but if she's anywhere around, there's not even any point. She's a force of nature, man. She's just gonna want to muscle in on all of that. So I don't know. I say we just let these kids go back to school. That's what they're doing in New York. And we seem to follow suit with everything in New York. I mean, if they ban something, we ban it. Not that that's a good thing, but kind of seems to be how it works. So I guess we'll see. Here's a noodle that's had nothing done to it. Turn off Rotato. So let's add some of our magic in here. This is the Yakisoba sauce. Rich, thick, and sweet. Yeah. I hope it is. That sounds really good. Myojo Ichiban. No. Myojo Ippei-chan. Big difference. Ichiban and ippei-chan. There's Maru-chan, Maru-chan. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it. I just did this sachet. Mmm. See that green stuff? That's seaweed, but it's like powdered seaweed, and it usually goes really well. I have a feeling this might be a really, really good contender. Wow. Here, I want you to see this. This is getting a lot of color. It's nice to see something where the noodles get really well coated in this range, because when they do, and they usually end up being pretty good. And you're gonna be like, it really looks bone dry, dude, but that's why we got the mayo mustard beam. Now this is like a battle of wills here because I really like yakisoba. I think I might have to just save it for my wife because she likes yakisoba too, as long as it's not spicy. That's big pimpin'. Hells yes. That is good. Mm-hmm. I really like the noodle on that one. Okay. Now it's going to get tricky. So let's... wait a second. Scoot to the side. Move over, butter. 150 calories for 3 ounces. Not bad. There's somebody out there saying, but wait, what about the mayo? Don't forget the mayo, dude. I'm not going to forget the mayo. I'm going to leave a little spot where it'll just be noodle and mayo. And that's how I'll get the gauge of that. There we go. There we go. That first piece of pork was really tough. Someday I'd like to have a big house with like multiple kitchens and have one kitchen that's just like a teppen. Like it has a big flat stainless service, like where they make teppanyaki. Do all my prep in there. Come on, Ed McMahon, where are you? Then people will get mad at me because, uh-oh, helicopter's going over. And you're gonna start telling everybody, stay inside. Yummy. People got their shanks just in case the war pops off. And my little buddy Betty Boo got a pizzo in his neck. I don't know if he'll make it to C-22. I'll ride for you, baby Boo. Ooh-wee. Yeah. I used to listen to a lot of Snoop and Dr. Dre. Before I was the driver of my daughter's stroller, when I was younger, I drove a mountain bike. And everybody called me Hairball. And, yeah, no joke. I was the guy with the mountain bike with the stereo on it. And I play a lot of rap. And maybe some Zappa. And a lot of Beastie Boys. A lot of funk. And yeah. It was cool. I miss those days. And I'm having my birthday party on Saturday. And it's going to be up in Anacortes. On Pi Day. My birthday's on Pi Day. Can you believe it? All you guys who think you're sort of celebrating some Pi Day crap. It's my birthday. More important than 3.14159. That's for damn sure. But yeah, every once in a while, all of a sudden, I just like hear a helicopter outside, and I start humming like Ice Cube in my head. It's funny. Oh yeah. That's the ticket right there. Wow. Okay. This is like dream yakisoba. This is a contender, folks. This is a 5-star contender. Come on, we gotta get this one all lined up. Alright, let's groove. Yeah, folks, don't worry about it. This one is not going to get wasted. I have a feeling my wife will be more than happy to devour this when she gets home from work. Alright, well, that's the end of it today. I've gone 2 for 2. 2 reviews today, 2 reviews yesterday. I'm hoping to get through a whole week, get 10 down. Yeah, baby. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, good health, and funkity funk. Have a good one. Bye.